Hello, I'm Anna Barcikowska. This is my app with user authentication settings set up, and here we can find the keys and tokens used for authentication. Here's my profile on the X account. I was testing a lot. In Postman, I'm using the authentication 1.0, using my API keys and access tokens. But I can also use the bearer token in the header part, but I decided to go with this one. So I created a few requests. First one is, of course, post a tweet. Let's change it a bit so we're not gonna get an error. As you can see, it's showing on my X account. Second, I got user tweets. As in tweets, replies, and retweets. Firstly, I got the user ID, this one. I decided to go with Xbox account, then using this ID that I got, I got 10 user tweets and printed public metrics, so the number of likes, retweets, etc., and time that it got created. As you can see, text, public metrics, and time that it got created. I'm not gonna run it again because I ran out of these limits or whatever. I have 0, so I can't run it again for the next 15 minutes. It's gonna be the same for the rest, so just saying. Second one, sorry, this is second one. Third one is search recent tweets using a hashtag. I decided to go with hashtag Japan for no particular reason. I printed 10 results, time that it got created, author ID, and based on author ID, I got the username. And I set the time of the search tweets to the last 10 days, so from this date to this date. And as you can see, we have our 10 tweets from the hashtag Japan, and the usernames are listed below. So ID, author ID, is now changed to name and username. We have author ID here, name and username, and here we have the time that it got created and the content, which is mostly just photos and other hashtags. Lastly, I did a little experiment. I wanted to post a picture using a Postman instead of Tweepy. So I got the desired picture ID here, media ID, and then used it, and then I used it to post a picture, but unfortunately I wasn't able to do it because of my free XAPI version, but it was still fun to try. So moving on to Tweepy. I decided to experiment with the similar requests to see which method is easier. Here are my authentication methods in the config Python file. Yeah, I'm not gonna show it since I'm uploading this video to YouTube, but it basically looks like that just with my credentials. Yeah. So firstly, I posted a picture using Tweepy. As you can see, it works. Yeah, I used my authentication methods here and then uploaded my picture and posted it as a tweet with a caption. Then I also tried to search recent tweets using Tweepy. Again, authentication methods. Here I went for the same hashtag and printed 10 tweets with the author, username, and post text. Since user ID is not automatically included in the search recent tweets endpoints response, I created this function with the help of ChatGPT to retrieve the author's ID and give us the username of the author. And the outcome of this is here, search recent tweets. Again, I'm not gonna do it again. So we have username and content. Again, tweet by username and content. Tweet by username and content. And we have 10 of those. Lastly, I decided to get user tweets. Again, I went with the Xbox since I had the user ID ready. I got the user tweets and printed the like, retweet, and reply count. And then I separated the tweets by a line to make it more clear to read. The outcome is here. We have name, content, likes, retweets, comments. We can actually check if it's true. If we go to the Xbox account and replies, we can see demo of Dynasty. We are thinking no. We are thinking no. It's all here. And that's all that I did for the assignment. Thank you.